In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CrowdStrike on Windows. So first of all, CrowdStrike is a popular endpoint security solution that helps protect your device from cyber threats. Since I don't have direct access to the download, we'll walk through the process using assumingly downloaded files and explain each steps. So let's get started. So first, you need to get to the CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor installer. This is typically provided by your IT administrator or CrowdStrike team. If you're a business user, contact your IT department for access, but if you're an individual user, you may need to request access from the CrowdStrike website. Assumingly we've already downloaded the installer, it should be saved in your download folder or located specified by your browser. Open your File Explorer and then navigate to the folder where the installer file is located, and then look for a file named something like CrowdStrike Windows Sensor.exe, and then right click on the installer file and then select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation, and then the installer will open and you'll see the CrowdStrike Falcon Setup Wizard. Follow those steps, click Next to the welcome screen, and then access the license agreement. Accept it and click Next. Enter the installation token provided by your IT administrator. If required, choose the default installation path or specify a custom path. Then click Next and then click Install to begin the installation. After that, the installation process may take a few minutes. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard, and then to ensure CrowdStrike is installed and running correctly, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button on your keyboard, and then go to the Process tab and look for CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor or CSC Falcon Service. If you see it running, the installation was successful and CrowdStrike is actively protecting your system. If you're part of a company network, let your IT department know the installation is complete. They may need to verify the device is properly enrolled in the security dashboard. And that's it. That's how you installed CrowdStrike on Windows. I hope this guide helps you get set up quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.